As you can see, the fan is running pretty well, a little bit slow. This is a 220 volt DC fan. I'm running it on, looks like the Variac is 124 volts DC right now. It's actually all the way turned up, the Variac. And I previously had tested the fan, and it does not run on the first two speeds, which I presume is the speed coil, or the resistance coil is probably open on it. So I put it on the third speed all the way over on the lever, and it started after a while. I tested it first with a dim bulb tester in case there was any problem with a short, and it's just purring right along. I think the motor shaft was kind of bound up with old hardened oils because it didn't want to turn over very well at all. So I added some oil, took the oil cups off, added some oil. Still didn't want to seem to be very loose in turning the blade, so I put some WD-40 in there, and then some oil on top of that, thinking the WD-40 will be kind of like a solvent to melt any old oils. But it's running pretty well now. I'll go ahead and switch the power off at the Variac. So it's got a decent spin down speed, but I'm sure it's going to need a lot more tinkering with and finding out why the first two speeds are open. But anyway, it runs, and I love this fan. It's just wonderful.